YouTube, I did a thing. I did it. We finally got us our first project. Well, not our first one, but our first one in a while. So I went and picked up a 2003 Ford Crown Victoria P71. You know, I picked it up for a pretty good deal. I got a 3-hour drive home. It has a misfire. You know, the classic Ford Crown Victoria problem. You know, I got to rethread the cylinder 6. I do. But it's in there just enough to where it's drivable. So I'm going to try to make it 3 hours home. I ain't got no power steering, so I'm going to be big when I get there. I'm going to check back in with y'all once I make it. I'm going to just enjoy this drive. Stop and get a nice view and take pictures. There go the Crown Victoria with the beautiful mountains in the background. Just a little pit stop to get pictures. It really look good with those Mustang wheels on it. I'm gonna save the walk around for when we make it home. Gorgeous. So I've been driving about 2 hours now, and I got about an hour left, and it's still going. It's doing good. It's got an issue with it. I'm gonna talk about it later on in the video. I'm probably gonna record that part tomorrow. But it's got a scary issue that's wrong with it. That's why the engine light is on. But it's going. Actually, it's picked up more power since I've been driving it on the highway. Well, in the desert. But yeah, it's doing really good. I can't see shit. All right, it's the next morning. It made it home. You know, there's the other car at the channel. And I'm at home. It actually did really good on gas. It did way better than I thought. Oh my God, the wind is blowing. Only when I start recording. But today I'm just gonna be looking over some stuff and trying to see what's up with it till I get it to the shop. I see I got an oil leak that's flinging up on the alternator some kind of way, so that ain't good. I hate to say it, but it looked like it's coming from the actual front cover. Down off in there, if you can see. No, you really can't see, but it's behind this bolt right here, like right at the tip of my finger, that little crack in there. But other than that, I mean, it is what it is. You know, everything he told me about it, it was true. You know, he forgot to mention that there was no power steering, but I was able to get that to work long enough to make it home. But I got to replace some lines on that. But yeah, 4.6 Police Interceptor, 2003. I mean, 4-door Mustang. I like to keep my videos straight, raw, hardly no editing. Sometimes I take long takes, so you might even watch a whole minute or two of me talking or whatever. Like right now, you watch me check the oil for the first time in the morning. This is my first morning checking the oil, first morning with the car. It's low. It is low. It is drastically low, but it isn't bad on oil pressure. So yeah, it is not smoking. So I'm definitely losing oil somewhere in a wet form. But it's pretty dope. I like it. You know, I gotta replace this door. I'm not even gonna try to go to a body shop or nothing. I'm just gonna replace the whole door. I mean, I can just have fun with that door right now. These wheels, actually the original wheels to this car, because I got it without wheels. Luckily, I kept my original wheels to my Mustang in my closet, right by my clothes. That's funny. And it is, I'm telling you, it's loud. I'm gonna get a video of it starting up here in a second. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and set up and do that right now after I put some oil in it. So yeah, back to this. He actually had the right oil, the good oil. That's the only thing I put in this. Well, only thing I put in that for the past 10 years now. 10 years with the Mustang V6, no problems. Hooray. Low battery. Anyway, my battery low on my phone. So yeah, I mean, I checked the oil and it was low, and he had this in the trunk. So hey, free oil. You know what that means? Free leaky leak. What is that? Huh. It almost looks like maybe he was trying to seal something. I don't know, but I'm still learning. I'm sure somebody gonna look at these comments with this video and be right in the comments and tell me exactly what the fuck. I mean, dang, what I need to be aware of. You know, when it's dealing with these Fords. I like Fords though, but honestly, dealing with these Fords is hard not to drop the F-bomb. Is something missing from right there? That's too clean. Huh. That's too clean. Look like something missing from right there. All right. Let's see. If it's wind noise, I apologize. And I'm gonna need both hands for this. Y'all not finna laugh at me spilling oil everywhere. Okay, I'm back after the oil. Looky here. Yep, that's all done by this guy, but that's the power steering line. I know. I put transmission fluid instead of power steering fluid. Anybody know what this is? Let me try to center it. Yeah, it's not hooked up to nothing, and it's rubbing on this, and I need to fix that like ASAP because I don't know what the hell it is. Anybody know what this is? Let me know. What is this? I guess aftermarket speakers at one point. Yep, looks like it. Yeah, music. I didn't spill no oil. I just dropped it outside of the hole. But yeah, I'm gonna crank it up here. I'm gonna set the camera up and get a cold start this morning. So I literally just discovered that my tripod is broken or is missing that piece. And his thread's on, so it must have broken off. Anyway, we're just gonna get a cold start from inside the car. Missing those buttons. My camera lenses. Anyway. So, okay, it was so loud, I just had to get away from my apartments with it. But it came with Steely OG steel wheel painted white. I can paint it right back black. That's another OG steel wheel. I think both of these tires are bad. Did give me that tire, and that's like brand new. Just a quick little walk around, you know. I'm gonna do a whole video full in detail about it. My Burger King nuggets I had on the way home. This door is shot. I done talked about it once, but it's really irking me. I gotta fix that. A whole nother door. And then plus I'll be able to get rid of this too. If I get another door off, maybe they just got the little ones with the 2 holes in it or something, but yeah. What else am I missing? Definitely getting new headlights. Got to get new headlights. Got to be able to see. I'm gonna try the Comet. They say Comet. You can get those rust marks off and stuff real easy. I'm looking at these. I want to try to take them apart and just take this amber thing out of it and just have it clear. I might do that. I'm still gonna get a whole new set of lights for it though, but I'm gonna do that, see what it look like. I'm gonna redo these windows instead of blue, purple, whatever it is. I'm gonna do it black. But yeah, this is my Crown Vic. This is gonna be one of the projects on the channel. Well, the project of the channel for now. It's gonna be a learning experience because I never had one. It actually looked good with those Mustang wheels on it though. I'm gonna get a whole new bumper. I already found one in Phoenix, Arizona. It won't like $75 for it. I wrote him on eBay this morning, see if he's gonna respond back. He got the bumper, he got the trunk, he got the driver's side door, he even got the headlights I want in it. So maybe I can just go and do a big deal with him. You know, once I fix the issue with the engine, I drive it out there and we just swap parts. I'm really not feeling that black hood. It just, I don't know. I just like stuff to be all one color. But this is my 2003 P71 Crown Victoria. They all right. That pipe sticking out, man. It's a crazy car. It is. But I think the guy was kind of looking for a drift rocket or something, or what they call it, drift missiles. Oh my God, this fucking. But this mirror, you can see inside the whole car through this rearview mirror. And you can see all the lanes of traffic behind you. I'm trying to get my hand out of the frame. Nope, it's a mirror. I can't do that. Anyway, I had a moment right there. But yeah, it's just, you know, I'm got to do some color matching in here. Get this center console together. You know, I'm doing too much. I just want to let y'all know. Yeah. Hey, you can't judge people because they lifestyle. Anyway, YouTube, I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Next video, I'm gonna take this thing in the shop, get it up on the lift, and we're gonna see what's all under the bottom and see what type of nice exhaust this thing got on it. You know, I'm sure it's gonna be something cool and funny. Cool guy I got it from, super cool guy. You know, everybody's going through something. You know, he's making a big change in life right now. And you know, when you're young, do that. Don't hesitate, do it. Just, you know, do it. He don't got kids, he not obligated to anyone, and he want to move across the country. Do it. There's no reason not to, you know. And if you don't work out, just go back home, come up with another plan, do it again. I guess that's just some motivational knowledge for this video today. Anyway, catch y'all later, YouTube. I'm gonna try to put this together best I can. Glad we finally got a project video, and I'll let you stay blessed.